Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make DnB drums. First you wanna start off by setting your tempo to 174 and then creating a two-step pattern with your kick and snare. Then you can add some variation to it. Then you can add some ghost hits. And finally you can add a percussion loop. Then you want to add some basic processing, like an EQ and a compressor. Very simple. Then you want to group your tracks and add some processing like saturation and compression. I also added this mid-side EQ because there was some side information on the lows which were causing mud and issues. And then you add your favorite bass to it and make drum and bass. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out any new videos.